Good morning everyone and welcome to another video, and we are now in Slovenia. And this is Nava. Nava is from Malaysia. Remember her? Probably she's never in any video before. Your first premiere. So now we're in Lake Bled. This is a lake that is very famous in Slovenia. Yeah, we had some drama trying to get here yesterday because we were trying to catch the train from Venice to Gorizia. And we almost missed that train because we were late returning the rental car from the Dolomites. And then after that, when we were in Gorizia, we almost couldn't get down at the train stop because the train door was locked, and then we shouted for help. Thankfully, the conductor came over and opened the door for us. So yeah, all that drama aside, thankfully we're here, and that's Lake Bled. Hold on! So Lake Bled is quite a small lake. It's only about 6 kilometers if you plan to run around it. So maybe that's something we're gonna do later this evening. Quite a good idea actually. You can even run 2 laps, and that's only 12k. Alright, time to have some ice cream.
Ice vanilla with hot blueberry.
Same for me.
2.
The same for me.
Okay, 3.
Well, the blueberry is hot with a cold ice cream on top. That's amazing. Not the best time to eat ice cream because it's cold, but let's see what happens.
Oh lihat, gimana nggak boleh renang, ini boleh.
Okay, now time to finally try the ice cream. Let's see. Something I have to say is the Slovenians that we've met have been really nice to us. Like yesterday, we arrived at the train station really late at night, and then there was nothing open except one bar. We stepped into the bar to ask for a taxi because there's no public transport at that time. And then they gave us like free complimentary tea because they saw us feeling so cold. They let us sit inside and then gave us free tea. And even the taxi driver that came to fetch us, she was very nice. Even though we only paid her €10 for the ride, which is quite cheap, she told us a lot about everything around here, what to look out for, where to go. It seems they're very proud of Bled, which is good because Bled is actually very nice. And another thing that you need to know is that Slovenia is a very easy country to travel because most people here tend to speak English. So highly recommend Slovenia because of the people, their hospitality, their warmness, and the ease of travel around here. And this here is the view from the train station at the top. Because right now we're heading to another spot. But one last look of Lake Bled. Maybe we'll see more of Lake Bled tomorrow. So yeah, see you in a while. Guys, we got off on the wrong stop. Yeah, we don't know where this is. We thought it was one stop. We asked the train conductor, he said yeah, one stop. So after one stop we get off. Seems like this is the wrong stop. Our destination is still 15 kilometers away. Let's see whether we can hitchhike or something. Okay, let's try. Oh no.
What's thank you?
Voila.
Bala.
The kind lady told us that there's actually a bus in front, a bus stop. Maybe we're still okay. We can still take the bus over to...
What? Hitchhike.
What's the stop name again?
Bohinjska Bistrica.
Bohinjska Bistrica, not Bohinjska Bela.
Yeah.
There's literally no one here that you can even sit in the middle of the highway. Maybe not a very good idea.
20 minutes later.
Voila!
Oh, thank you.
Guys, the strangest thing just happened. The bus just appeared out of nowhere. So we count ourselves lucky this time. We went to the wrong stop and somehow we still managed to catch the bus. So yeah. That has got to be our luckiest dramatic event. And the good thing about taking the bus is that the bus took us straight to the lake, so we don't have to do a 2-hour hike, because initially we were expecting a 2-hour hike after the train station. So now, welcome to Bohinjsko Jezero. Ta-da! Wow, this place is so amazing. The landscape is like the Dolomites, but minus the crowds. Hardly any cars. Beautiful, same kind of mountains and the snow-capped mountains. Maybe they don't have Trecime di Lavaredo, but that's okay. And it's beautiful. Love Slovenia. You guys should come to Slovenia because it's one of the countries where it's not very common that you see a lot of tourists around, but it's a country that has a lot to offer. Whoa guys, check this out. These are all the equipment you need to fix your bike in case you have a bike emergency. There's a pump here. Yeah, it's working. And then there's a wrench. There's a multi-tool with so many different Allen key, screwdriver. Yeah, everything you can ever need. And you can also hang your bike here.
Later.
Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2. This is our last day in Bled. We only spent 2 days here. Actually we stayed here for 2 nights, so it's actually 3 days 2 nights, but the first day I didn't vlog. So today is the last day and we're gonna go back to Ljubljana, and then from Ljubljana we're gonna head to Croatia. Yesterday I forgot to take a drone shot of Lake Bled. Actually it's not because I forget, it's because there wasn't enough time for us to catch the train to the other lake. So today I'm gonna do that. Hopefully there's no issues. The weather is great. The wind is not strong. Let's do it. Yeah, I got the drone shots I needed, but it's not the best because the lighting is not that nice. It gets better and better as the sun rises higher because it's a valley in a way and it's surrounded by hills and mountains. So when the sun is behind the mountain, it's not really that nice. I couldn't wait longer just now because we have a bus to catch. Otherwise, as the sun rises, it's so beautiful right now. My drone shots probably don't showcase Lake Bled that well. So probably look at other drone shots from other people. It's actually very nice, this place. I know you guys will order cream cake. Oh my god, look at that. No trip to Bled is complete without cream cake. Okay, time to destroy the cream cake. Wow! Ooh. It's crispy at the top and then soft on the inside, right? Good? Hola. Yeah, I'm with them. Thank you. Alright, we're in the bus, ready to head to Ljubljana. Alright guys, we've arrived in foggy Ljubljana. It's really foggy right now, but that's some blue sky over there. Yeah. Now time to go to the tickets office and try to get some train tickets to Croatia.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we got our train tickets to Zagreb. Surprisingly, the price is quite cheap for train tickets in Europe. It's only 9 euros for a 2-hour train ride. I would consider that really, really cheap. Hello.
It's difficult to...
Bye! Take care, ciao! Oh guys, this is amazing! I cannot believe this is Ljubljana. I kept my drone in the backpack and then so it's in the locker. So unfortunately, I can't fly the drone right now. I wish I brought the drone along because this place is actually very nice. I didn't expect much, but wow, look at that. Hello! To be honest, I almost ended the vlog early this morning because I thought there wouldn't be much story in Ljubljana. And that's the thing, you see, when you travel, the actual journey sometimes can be very tiring, but you get surprised with all these kind of surprises along the way. So I guess that's why I should just keep vlogging and bring you guys along and show you guys the journey, because although the journey may not be that glamorous sometimes, but the surprises are glamorous. Wow. Wow, totally unexpected. That is an amazing church. Probably rival that of the Notre Dame in Paris. The Notre Dame is definitely bigger, but this one is amazing. Okay guys, see, Indonesia, and that's Malaysia. Where's Malaysia? Malaysia! But unfortunately, Africa is not country, guys. So right now we're finally going to the castle where we wanted to go initially when we saw Ljubljana on the map. Yeah, and the city has been great to us so far. Just now I managed to strike a conversation with a Shanghainese who has been here for 10 years and he has a business over here. And my Mandarin held up. Barry doesn't believe that my Mandarin is even good. So you see, in your face, my Mandarin is good.
By the way guys, it's actually called Ljubljana, not Ljubljana.
Guys, welcome to Ljubljana, and we are on top of the castle already. It's so nice. There's a viewing terrace here, and look at that. This is the whole cityscape, and there's like snow-capped mountains over there. Apparently 1/3 of Slovenia is covered in forests. Unfortunately, it's slightly polluted today. If the weather is clear, it would have been even more epic, but this is good enough for me. Awesome job, Slovenia! So apparently the viewing terrace, like even to enter the castle, is actually free. But if you want to enter some parts of the castle, like maybe those parts over there and underneath, you have to pay about 750 euros. Yeah, and we're not that into paying for attractions.
We're cheap.
We're very cheap. Oh, the castle is definitely really nice, and a lot of the places here are actually free. If you want to pay, you get to go to like that tower at the top there. That's the only place that we found that actually requires the payment of 750 euros. So yeah, like most places in Europe, a lot of things here can be had for free. So you don't have to pay to get the best things in life, basically. Goodbye Ljubljana Castle, you have been good to us. We love Ljubljana Castle. So the castle was great, the city is great, the lights are amazing, especially during Christmas time. Ljubljana, you have been so amazing to us. We will definitely come back for more in the future, hopefully. And now we have to rush quickly to the train station because we are afraid that we might have another drama like the other day again. Where's the ticket?
You.
No, I don't have it. I have it! Okay, I wanna do it. I think you just scan the QR code there. Yeah. Ooh, press unlock. Ooh.
Shit.
Apparently not so high-tech because it doesn't open. So now our luggage is stuck in there. There's a number that we can call. The guy said he's gonna come and try to fix it. So hopefully that will be soon because we are quite late.
Later.
Oh, thankfully guys, the guy came quickly and he was able to open it. So yeah, that's our luggage. So in the future, if this ever happens to you, it doesn't unlock and you've already unlocked it from the terminal, all you need to do is just insert the key here and pull it out. That's how it will open. So yeah guys, we made it with time to spare. Definitely give about 15 minutes or half an hour of time in case you're trying to collect your left luggage because these kind of emergencies can happen and it's not nice to let that, you know, ruin your trip in a way. So yeah, we're here safe and hopefully there's no more drama for today. And we're gonna be in Croatia in 2 hours time. Yeah, hopefully. Guys, they have a conveyor belt to bring your suitcase up. Very good technology that we don't even have in the UK.
As for me, I will take some time. Oh yeah.
So guys, welcome to Croatia. We're finally here. Just now there's a passport check in the train when we were crossing the border and my passport had some issues because they mentioned Malaysia and then Arabic. It could be because of the Iranian visa and also the Saudi Arabian visa. But thankfully everything's okay. We're here, gonna stay the night and then tomorrow the adventure continues again. We're gonna drive to the national park. It's gonna be pretty epic because Croatia is really nice. Everyone in Britain has been telling us that this is their favorite destination for holiday. So stay tuned for that. And with that guys, I guess it's time to end the video. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this super vlog. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, see the world. Don't forget us.